Okay, introduce myself. My name is Ginal Hikam. I am a college student majoring in Guidance and Counseling Class 5A. Here, I will present of my proposal seminar entitled The Effect of Learning Motivation on Entrepreneurship Learning Outcomes for Social Class 12 Student of Manwan, Serang City. Chapter 1 Background. Not all schools have entrepreneurship subject which a local context subject. Learning motivation in entrepreneurship subject must be grounded in student so that the achievement of learning outcomes for Mulok entrepreneurship subject can be achieved maximally. Education is an action that allow learning and development to occur. According to Udin Winataputra and Tina Rosita, learning outcomes are everything that belongs to student as a result of the testing and learning activity they do. The purpose of education can be seen from the success obtained by students during and after the learning process at school. However, the success achieved in teaching and learning is not only seen from the final result achieved by student, but many factors that influence it. And the next, formulation of the problem. In this study, the formulation of the problem is to find out the effect of learning motivation on entrepreneurship learning outcomes of class 12 social month of student in Serang City. And the next, research purpose. To get results from research on the effect of learning motivation on entrepreneurship learning outcomes of class social Manwan student in Serang City. Okay, and the next is benefit of research. So that we can know the results of effect of learning motivation on entrepreneurship learning outcomes of class 12 social man 1 student in Serang City. Okay, and the next is chapter 2 context scope of research. Education is a need that must be met in life. Education is a form for activities that can be seen as a printer of high quality human research. Through education, both formal and non-formal. One indicator of quality education is the question of maximum learning outcomes by student, be it learning outcomes in the form of cognitive, affective, or psychomotor. Learning motivation is one of the factors that determine effectiveness in learning. The motivation the student have is not only motivation when participating in learning activities. The motivation in this activity is entrepreneurial motivation when participating in learning activities from entrepreneurship subject. Learning motivation, which is included in this extrinsic motivation, namely listening to explanation and accomplish from teacher regarding the benefit of entrepreneurship, is activity to be able to inspire student learning and the humans in entrepreneurship subject, especially for lazy student. With this explanation, it is hoped that it will make students interested to that they are happy to follow the lesson sincerely and earnestly so that later they will get good learning outcomes. Okay, and the next in chapter 2 is motivation function. According to Sardiman, there are three functions of motivation, namely 1. Encouraging human to act. 2. Determine the direction of action. 3. Selecting action. And according to Sukmadinata, say that motivation has two functions, namely 1. Directing in directing activities. 2. Activating and achieving activities. Okay, and the next is entrepreneurial motivation. They are several factors that influence entrepreneurial. Internal factors that come from within the entrepreneurial can be in the form of personal traits, attitude, individual willings, and ability that can give individual strength to entrepreneurship. While external factor come from outside the entrepreneur, which can be eliminated from the surrounding environment, such as the family environment, the business work environment, the physical environment, to social economic environment, and other. Suharti and Sirine. Okay, and the last is chapter 3, research methods. Research methods and research procedure. The research method used is descriptive quantitative, and the form of research used in this study is a form of rationalship student. Place and time of research. The research in located in Man 1 of Serang City. Research subject. Social class 12 student Man 1 Serang City as many as 43 people. Data collection technique. The data collection as supporting tool, namely a questionnaire which is then processed through statistical testing. Data analysis technique. This study use validity, reliability, and normality tests of facility statistical calculation to be more function. Okay, maybe and the last I say you thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.